Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can change default phone app on Android. See here on my mobile, I have two dialers. This phone app is from the Google, and this phone app is from the Fossify. See here, Fossify. So if you want to change the default dialer app, must and should you have another dialer app like this. If you only have this Google dialer, or if you only have this Spotify, it is not possible to change to another app. So how you can change? I am assuming you have another app other than this Google dialer. Okay, so first of all, click on the Android phone settings, and from here you need to click on this app section, apps, and under the general you can see an option called default apps. Tap on this default apps, and where is this? Yeah, there will be something like phone app. Tap on this. Actually, this is the default one. I already changed to the Fossify phone dialer app, which I installed, and just checking that you can just change to this radio button, or else if it is already the system default, you can change it to other. So whenever you want to dial, you can use this dialer and you can use it. When you receive the call also, through this dialer only you will receive. Remember that that is the setting what we have just kept for the default app. So whichever the radio button is selected here, with that you can make calls and you can receive calls. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.